What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Let me hit you with a painful reality that almost every driver experiences at some point. You walk out the door, you're already late for work, you hit the ignition, and absolutely nothing happens. Just clicks. Dead silence. And suddenly, your entire day is ruined because of a battery that gave you zero warning. And here's what most people don't realize. A lot of car batteries don't actually die because they're old. They die because they stay partially charged for too long. Short trips, weekend-only driving, cold weather, and vehicles sitting in the garage for weeks slowly kill battery health through sulfation. By the time your battery fails, the damage has usually been building for months. That's why a good battery charger isn't just a backup tool anymore. It can literally save you hundreds of dollars by extending battery life and helping you recover batteries before they're completely dead. But not all chargers are built for the same type of driver. Some are designed for emergency engine starts. Some are perfect for long-term battery maintenance. Some charge incredibly fast, and some try to do everything. Today, we're breaking down the best battery chargers you can buy right now based on charging speed, battery compatibility, recovery features, ease of use, and overall value. Let's get into it. At number 6, we've got the Schumacher SC1445. This thing feels like it belongs in an old-school mechanic shop, and honestly, that's exactly why some people love it. This charger is built for brute force. You get a 10-amp charger, a 50-amp boost mode, and a massive 250-amp engine start function. That's serious power. If you own large trucks, SUVs, work vehicles, boats, or older equipment, this thing can save you when modern smart chargers completely fail. And here's where it gets interesting. Most modern chargers refuse to charge batteries that are deeply discharged. They'll throw an error message and quit. The Schumacher doesn't care. Its manual controls let you push power into extremely low batteries that many smart chargers won't even recognize. That can be a lifesaver. But here's the catch. This thing is not beginner-friendly. You need to monitor charging times manually, and overcharging is possible if you're careless. It's also bulky and definitely not something you casually store in your trunk. This is best for serious DIY users and mechanics. At number 5, we've got the NEXPEAK NC201. This is where things become much more beginner-friendly. The biggest advantage here is simplicity. Plug it in, choose your battery type, let it work. Its smart charging system handles everything automatically. It supports both 12-volt and 24-volt batteries, which adds versatility for larger vehicles. The LCD display is another huge advantage because you can actually see voltage, charging progress, and battery status in real time. That's way more helpful than basic blinking lights. It also includes temperature compensation. That matters more than most people realize because charging in freezing winter conditions is very different from charging in summer heat. And the pulse repair mode is useful for batteries sitting unused for long periods. But here's the downside. If your battery is completely dead, this charger may not detect it. That's where more advanced recovery chargers outperform it. Still, for average drivers, this is one of the best value chargers available. At number 4, we've got the 12-volt, 24-volt heavy-duty 0 to 15-amp charger. This one feels like the middle ground between beginner simplicity and professional control. Its biggest advantage is adjustable charging current. That gives you flexibility. You can use slower charging for smaller batteries or push higher charging speeds for larger batteries in RVs, trucks, boats, or heavy equipment. That versatility makes it attractive for people with multiple vehicles. The heavy-duty construction also feels far more durable than many cheaper plastic chargers. And repair mode helps restore neglected batteries. But here's the catch. That added flexibility also means added complexity. casual users may feel overwhelmed by manual settings. This makes more sense for experienced DIY users than total beginners. At number 3, we've got the NOCO Genius 1. This charger is tiny, but don't underestimate it. This is one of the smartest battery maintainers on this list. It's built for people who own motorcycles, classic cars, boats, seasonal vehicles, lawn equipment, or anything that sits unused for long periods. The biggest strength here is long-term battery maintenance. You connect it and basically forget about it. It automatically adjusts charging levels based on temperature and battery condition, and unlike many chargers, it can recover extremely low-voltage batteries. That's a huge advantage. It also works with lithium batteries, which adds future-proof value. Now here's the downside. It's slow, very slow compared to higher amperage chargers. If you need fast charging for large truck batteries, this won't be ideal. But for preserving battery life long-term, it's excellent. At number 2, we've got the YONHAN 20-amp battery charger. This thing is all about speed, and if you own trucks, RVs, boats, or multiple vehicles, speed matters. Its 20-amp charging capability dramatically cuts down waiting time compared to smaller chargers. That's a huge advantage when you need quick recovery. It also supports multiple battery types, includes winter mode, and offers repair functionality. And for the price, it delivers a ton of features. But there's a trade-off. Build quality may not feel as premium as brands like NOCO or DEWALT. And when you're buying battery equipment, reliability matters. Still, if speed is your top priority, this is hard to ignore. Before we reveal number 1, here's where people make a huge mistake. They buy battery chargers based purely on price. That usually backfires. A cheap charger that can't recover your battery, or worse, damages it, isn't saving you money. The right charger depends on how you actually use your vehicle. And that brings us to number 1. At number 1, we've got the DEWALT DXAEC100. And this wins because it does almost everything. You get a powerful 30-amp charger, a 3-amp maintainer mode, and most importantly, a massive 100-amp engine start feature. That engine start function changes everything. Instead of waiting hours for charging, you can get back on the road quickly during emergencies. That makes this perfect for work vehicles, busy families, mechanics, and people who simply want maximum versatility. It even includes alternator testing features. That added diagnostic capability makes it feel like multiple tools in one. Now yes, it costs more, and it may struggle with extremely dead batteries compared to NOCO recovery mode. But for most people who want one machine that handles emergencies, charging, and maintenance, this is easily the best overall pick. So here are the final winners. Best overall goes to DEWALT. Best budget smart charger goes to NEXPEAK. Best battery maintainer goes to NOCO. Best high-speed charger goes to YONHAN. And best heavy-duty manual option goes to Schumacher. Check the links in the description for updated pricing and compatibility before buying. And if this video saved you from getting stranded with a dead battery, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.